Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Annisa and I post a little bit of everything. Today is more, I guess, of a lifestyle vlog type deal. I'm cleaning my closet.
Ew.
Yeah, that's why that mess is open. I have actually a very large closet and I've been sitting here saying I don't have room for more clothes, and I recently just got a job modeling for a small business company. I'll link their store down below because I love them. They're very sweet. But I get sent home with some of the products because it's either stuff that they can't resell because of me putting it on, or they want me to make TikToks or model in it at home, and I get paid on top of also keeping it. So I have so many clothes I've been sent from other brands, and also now having this job, I'm like, what am I going to do with everything? Well, I have this giant closet that I'm only literally utilizing for clothes on this side. The other half I'm utilizing for shoes. I have this giant shoe rack, and it just doesn't make sense anymore. Like, I feel like I can definitely like spread it out. And then I have a bunch of crap up there that I just need to take down. So yeah, initially I wasn't going to record me doing this, but then I posted about it on Instagram, and I had a couple people say that like it would be inspiring to like do a video about it, because it's like, oh, if I did it, then it gets their butts in gear to do it too. So I was like, I guess. It's embarrassing how messy my closet is, and I've like redone it a couple times, but I do it all in sections usually. Like normally I'll just take down like everything on the top shelf and I'll like organize that and then put it all away. And there's been times I take out all my clothes down here, organize that. But today, like either today and tomorrow, or just today if I can get just all done today, I'm just gonna take everything out and then just put it all back in. For the most part, I probably won't record the whole process. I'm just gonna show you the pieces that I'm taking out, what my game plan is, things like that, because I don't think you want to sit here and watch me take everything out because it's a lot. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I'm probably gonna start with taking out all the clothes first and organizing them onto my bed, because where else am I gonna put them? I like need to get them out of the way so then I can start moving everything else out. And then I'll start moving the stuff on the top out and putting it on the floor, and just go from there. I'll also post a picture. I'll put the pictures up here. So like here's like a straight on picture of like this side, and then here's a straight on picture from the other side. I'm gonna work from this side and move my way over. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I've admittedly forgotten to finish recording the closet vlog, so that's what I'm gonna do real quick. So here's the after. There's really not much of a difference up here. I didn't take that stuff down just because there's no need. But yeah, I was able to hang both backpacks up here. Try and get this belt. Move belt, move. Okay, I've also organized everything, so like this is gonna be like for sweaters, jackets, and kind of like outerwear that I don't want hung up on my door over here. That's more like plain t-shirts, and that's kind of jacked up. I need to fix that. I just messed that up because I was pulling out the tank top I'm wearing right now. Then I have like sweaters, then I have like pants all right here, then it goes into dresses, jumpsuits, overalls, and then rompers, and then bodysuits. I was able to get my shoes down here. I broke down my shoes into like 2 different tiers, so they're both down here. That's my arts and craft bin. I have like sculpting stuff in it and everything. And then moving on to the next side, so again, the other side of shoes. So I'll be able to get to like that side of shoes from this side. This I wasn't able to do anything with. It's like a box of 20 volume peroxide for bleach and color. So now we have like cropped tank tops. Then we go into tank tops, more like formal or like fun type tops. I don't even know what to call them. They have like a long sleeve shirts, button downs, blazers, and then to like cozy sweaters and cardigans. And that's like graphic tees or just, yeah, more like graphic tees and whatnot. I have a couple sweaters over here. This is a bunch of stuff that I just don't know where to put. That's a birthday gift for someone. So I'm just gonna store like gifts back here. But like I have a bunch of Kleenex because I like buy in bulk Kleenex. I'm weird. I also don't know what to do with all these jeans. I don't want to throw them out just because like they're literally a size down from what I am. Those are all a size 18. I'm a size 20. So it's like if they were a size like 14, I'd definitely get rid of them. Size like 16. Yeah, if they were like a size 16, I'd get rid of them. But they're a size 18 and I know I fluctuate. So I don't want to get rid of them. I need to figure out a place for them. But down here, I need to figure out what to do with this one down here because that's like cords and stuff. This is like excess pants, shirts and stuff. I'm kicking this. And then I have bralettes and bathing suits in here. And then I have my excess canvases. I don't know what to do with that box. It's like, what if I need to like do something about my iMac, you know? So like that's there. Oh, and then this bag is like extra salon stuff I can't get rid of yet. Like I'm not gonna get rid of it. Like I don't know what to do with. I can't leave it in the car because it'll explode. But yeah. Oh, and then I have like a ring light top because that still plugs in and works, but the bottom broke. So I'm like, I can definitely use that for something. But yeah. So this definitely looks like a million times better than it did before. It's definitely way more organized. I definitely have more room now that I'm like utilizing the whole closet. And I'm just happier. So yeah, that was it. Just wanted to like finish that video. So make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.